Alright, there you go. Alright, guys. Next to landing. And I don't know. Oh, wait, try to. Oh, no, look. This is how I'm looking at. My phone. I'm gonna crack it immediately.
Follow me, we'll go straight in.
Okay. If I go up and down with me, I guess it's a little thing.
You're welcome. That easing some of it. You want to go up? Yeah, okay.
Hopefully it's not. Hopefully. I'm trying to read this little chart I just showed y'all.
Are you waiting to do the 10 minutes? Yeah. When you jump down, just right down. Yeah. Definitely. Do you think you slept wrong on it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also yesterday my son had an appointment or an evaluation that I'm taking to get to
Yeah.
check to see if he has ADHD
Okay.
or anything
Yeah.
else, whatnot. And they had me fill out a bunch of paperwork on like this really low desk, so I was like hunched over for quite a while. And I just told him
It's just so good, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all go until I get back and I'll show you. Maybe when I try to show you one when you get my back off.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. So, almost just. I want to crack. It makes me want to crack my bottom of my leg so bad. Like, oh my goodness. But, okay. I'm still in this thing, y'all. I just want to talk to y'all. Like, you have to see. Oh no, this does no justice at all. Like, it feels so good. I'm just gonna relax. Relax. I'm gonna fast forward to this. Almost done.
Bye, Brent. Have a good day.
Yep. All the way to the left. Doesn't want to crack. I keep saying that. What if somebody pop me in my phone?
Netflix.
Try to exercise instead of energy drinks.
Yes. Yep.
My job is so physical. Every time, speaking of, like really physical,
Alright. I think I'm about to get off of here. Probably been here about 10 minutes on this, and then I go to
You don't need a gym.
where? Oh, get my back realigned. Been doing it since day 3. Like I said before, self-care. Don't stop caring for yourself when you have a baby. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna see. I can make sure.
So you see how ours is here.
Oh, okay.
So you're inside, face down. You don't get wet or anything like that. And the control she has. So you can do so you can do intensity that you want, how intense you want the pressure. And then there's a hold button, so when you press that, it just stops the arm in that one place. And then
it just pushes in that one place?
Yeah.
Wow.
The water's 90 degrees. So it's really good for circulation. And what we do is we do it by packages. So for 10 minutes, it's $5. And then for 60 minutes, it's 27, 120 for 50.
Okay.
And yeah, and it's also, we're doing a referral package right now. So it's a free 15-minute massage for any referral that you have. So I don't know if your mom or even
Well,
if
she referred me here.
yeah, see, exactly. Well, there you go. She gets the free 15-minute visit. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Since she referred you in, she gets that. Yeah. So that's how it works. So if you have any coworkers or even Deshaun or anybody comes in, then we'll put that on your card too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Right out here.
Okay.
But I wanted to show you that 'cause it's different than the.
I really like that. That's cool.
It's nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that one over at.
So it looks like we got you tomorrow at 11. Yes. I know, it's just like a waiting game at this point. It's like you never know.
It's so cool,
Alright,
y'all.
well, here we go. We'll see you back tomorrow. You're welcome.
It's so cool, y'all. I don't know if y'all seen the bed, so I try to show y'all just a little bit. But it's so cool. I'm trying to keep it privacy of other patients and clients and stuff, but they do clean every single time the patient gets up. I don't know if y'all seen that too. But she cleaned. That's when he got it.
It does. I'm like, what is that? He's finishing up, John.
I'm so ready. I'm gonna take my back, y'all.
Hello. Good morning.
I don't know if y'all can see, but this is how. I don't know. I don't know how to show you. Okay, maybe. This. This how it looks. Look, this is the adjustment bed. Yep. I'm gonna see if I can. I might turn you upside down. Maybe. I'm so sorry, y'all. Y'all gonna catch it anyways. You know, like it raw and uncut. But yeah, head get me real good. Now lay down. Sit right here. See, after you get done doing all this, trying to do that. Sorry, y'all. Came out the frame. But after y'all start doing all that and cracking, like that little, what I just did, that ain't nothing compared to what he about to do. I mean, he talked to you too. I'm like, yesterday I was trying to talk to him, he had my head down, and I was just like, he was cracking up. So hopefully, I don't know. Let's see if he'll let me share this experience.
Did you grow up there?
Me?
Yeah.
I really like this place, y'all. And they get them so welcome. Like, that's how they get their customers and their clients, and they keep them. I'll put y'all back down. But y'all know, y'all, I ain't gonna cut me about to drop the phone. I ain't about to cut me coming out the car. I ain't doing that. I'm gonna put that back right here because it was like a perfect angle. Yeah. My nail, y'all, it don't, I don't know if you can see. It look, because I didn't touch everything. My hands are ashy. They stay ashy because I stay washing my hands. But,
Yeah. Just getting to the car was an issue, right? Do you? Yeah. That's smart.
Yes. Okay, see, whenever you said the name on the phone, I was like, I know that I know this person, but I could not place it.
yeah, I came in here looking crazy the first day. I had on these boots with my pants up to like right here. It's basically how I look. I'm trying to stay warm. But I'm just talking to y'all.
That's the aqua massage.
Talk to me, chat with me, y'all. I'll chat with y'all back.
It's got a camera that raises up and there's a bed that you're face down on.
Yeah, I hope y'all seen the Aqua Machine. And I'm sorry. Look, let me say, what's up, Japatrons? What's up, Jap Squad? I did a little video, but I accidentally I did my intro before. So I'm gonna try to put that part 1, because, oh no, it was part of this video. But I didn't do my intro. Well, I did my intro, but I actually had to stop the video. But, alright, I'm gonna let y'all go and see if I can let him record, like, how he cracked my back. And he gonna be the only person to crack my back. I ain't letting nobody else crack my back, but see if I can, he'll let y'all join in of cracking. And then he gonna explain a little diagram to me on the board, like this board right here. Right? Right there, that board. He's gonna do like drawing a diagram first of how my back is. He might give me some information of what my back look like. Again, like y'all seen, I showed y'all a little picture. My back is like, it goes this way. And then my neck is straight where my neck is supposed to be. So I would say, if y'all see this, it says phases.
Put layers on.
And I think my phase is phase 1. Yeah, like it's phase 1 right there. Like mine, this is normal, and then phase 1, that one right here, is me, where my neck is straight, like no curve, nothing. And if you look at it, well, there you guys a blur. But if you look at it, this one right here, it has like your neck is curved. That's what your neck's supposed to be, not straight. And but it's like curved at the bottom, like not curved at the top.
Snug.
I don't know. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. For right now, and I'll see if he lets me record. If we don't, then I'll just come back and I'll tell y'all how my experience was. There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
No. So how have you been?
Oh, I've been good. Busy this morning.
Mm-hmm. Any roads still pretty slick out there?
Not my direction. Like, I live like going to Marshall.
Uh-huh. Yeah, when I was up this, I get up early, go to the gym about 5 a.m. So it was about 4:45, 4:50. The roads were still kind of slick then because no one had been on them yet.
Yeah.
You couldn't tell it though. To look at it, you could see because everything's just a thin layer of ice.
Mm-hmm.
But I've got a pickup truck, so of course the back end's real light on it.
Oh,
And so
yeah.
it's all fishtailing everywhere just a little bit. Not enough to lose control, but enough I could tell it's trying to slide a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But I never had to put it in 4-wheel drive or anything like that. It was fine. And then by the time I came back from the gym, it was already cleared up and stuff.
Yeah. When I was
You
coming
go on your
from,
side towards me.
when I was coming from my like over by my job,
Uh-huh.
that was like kind of slick.
Yeah. There you are. Now you go to the other side. Is that too rough on you? There you go. Now you go flat on your back.
Actually feels good.
Yeah, move good.
I wasn't too sore yesterday. Like
Yes.
afterwards.
Yeah, sometimes the first few times you'll get sore as your body's adapting, muscles adapting. And
Mhm.
other times not. You're still so young that you may not get sore at all.
I feel like more popping today than yesterday on my neck.
Yeah, treatments build. So one time you'll do some good, then you add the next on, it builds. It's kind of like if you go to the gym. One workout's good, but you get a series of workouts together, start seeing some results, then you'll happen here. The joints will loosen up better, move better. There you go. Now you come on up.
It's crazy. It feels so much better. I thought it whenever I was like laying, I felt like I want my back one to crack right here.
Feel that pressure
You
building
come
like,
on.
yeah.